Hey guys, it's Bill Moscas, MarineMax and Stuart. I have behind me the awesome Aviara 36 with outboards. Triple 300s on the back, the nice V8s. Excellent platform to enjoy the day at the sandbar or cruise around the Bahamas, whichever way you want to do it. Let's hop aboard. All right, step aboard. You easily see how different is this boat. The European design, beautiful upholstery, nice design on the flooring. You got everything you ever want on this boat. All right, triple 300s, joystick. Nice swim platform over here. You can walk comfortably. Seats 3 wide at least. You can have backrests up, or you can create stadium seating. Sorry. By lifting up those seats on the back, they can adjust at any different height. It can be a backrest, it can be a headrest, or it can be people sitting right behind you. You have underneath these seats, you have more storage. For example, I'm going to lift up this one to show you the single connection to flush all 3 engines, and then the shallow but cool storage that you have right underneath here. A very cool feature, as you're entering your boat, you slap on this button, turns on the lights so you can see without having to fumble around to find batteries and stuff. Underneath here, I like this. You can put 4 fenders. There are even holes for the fender pros so they don't bang around. Great space for this purpose, and you are right on the back exactly where you need the fenders. Beautiful entertainment area, sits around 8-9 people. Clip system all around for you audiophiles. You will appreciate this feature. One of the best stereo systems in the market, tuned by clips specifically for this boat. Another cool feature that I love is this nice inductive chargers, and you hold your phone basically while the boat is traveling out of trouble. Storage all underneath. There's a table actually that goes right over here, but you can see plenty of storage all around. That's your covers, and then right over here as well. Another cool feature I really like, when you finish drinking the beverage of your choice, nice little trash receptacle right over here. Right across we have our galley. You can have 2 grills or a single grill. This one obviously has a single. Twin refrigerators. And then you have a nice Aviara cooler hiding right in here. Up on top, it's either a counter or your sink with 3 bottle holders, so you can put ice over there, keep it cold. Over here up in the front, the helm accommodates 2. It has a nice viewing platform. It can help you basically get a little higher, and it's magnetically held, comes out of the way. Then you have your beautiful Italian design steering wheel, 16-inch Simrad in the middle, your C-zone and all controls for the vessel right over here, and your vessel view right across for the engine information. Another cell phone holder with induction, automatic trim tabs, joystick, the pinnacles. Ooh, another one cool point is the cooling cup holders. So they actually can keep your drink cool even if you don't have a Yeti cooler or whatever else. And over here is where your VHF is hiding. Going underneath, you have a sleeping area for 2, or a place to go downstairs and escape the heat. There is AC, And there is a table that mounts right in the middle. And then you have the head hiding right over there. Gorgeous bow area. Notice this. It's very high gunnels. You can have 5-6 people sitting around here. There can be a table if you wish, right in the middle, or a filler cushion to make it a full sun pad. And also you can have a sunshade that can cover this whole area. This boat actually does not have it, but it is an option you can add. Another cool thing that you will notice, all the freshwater and gasoline receptacles are covered, so it doesn't interrupt the design of the boat. It goes really smoothly all around. And speaking about gas, you don't have to think which side do I go to the dock, because she offers access on either side. Right over here. You have a single tank, but you can fill it up either side. Anyway, this is basically Bill Masquez, MarineMax Stuart, showing you this gorgeous Aviara 36 with outboards. Give me a call at 203-808-5088 or visit us on our website. Thank you so much for watching.